Hello there. Today I'm going to show you how I make this amazing roller for my face. And it has two oils that are both blue in color. Blue's my favorite color. Blue Tansy and Yarrow Palm. Both of these oils have lots of antioxidants in them. They're anti-aging. Just makes your skin feel amazing when you put it on. So what I do with this is I apply it in the morning when I, kind of rinse off my face. I'll apply this. I'll just roll it on my face, and then I wash my face at nighttime, and then I'll roll this on, and I'll use a hydrating cream too that doTERRA has. So here's my roller. It's a 10 milliliter. So I already opened up the top. So there is a little bit left, but I just want to show you how I make it. And then here's Yarrow Palm. And then here's Blue Tansy. And then what I do is I put 5 drops of each of those oils, and then I fill up the rest with fractionated coconut oil. And the reason I use fractionated coconut oil is because you're not gonna put all those oils in here. You don't need that much. So the fractionated coconut oil is a carrier oil, and I'll just fill up the rest, and it just helps, it go further again instead of using all these oils in your roller. So here we go. I'm gonna do this right here on the camera. Here's my roller, and Blue Tansy, I'm gonna do 5 drops. So let me get this on camera here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that one came out really fast. It's been a while. See how pretty that is? I know you can't tell really because my roller's blue. And then I open my Yarrow Palm. And this, it does make your skin blue for a little bit, but it goes away really quickly. So let's see what I can get out of this one, my Yarrow Palm. Oh, I love it. It's so pretty. Can you see how that blue? So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So if you can see, if you had a clear one, it would be really blue. So here we go. Just gonna squirt the rest in here. doTERRA also has a fractionated coconut oil too. I just grabbed this one really quick. It's easier with the pump. So see how it's full? So then I'm going to put this back on. Then push that down. And then I have my label. It says Blue Tansy. I had Yarrow Palm written on there, but it faded. So you probably can't see it too much, but the oils, if it's a clear bottle again, you would be able to see the blue. And so I like to mix it up. Kind of reminds me of that toy we had back in the 80s and 90s with the water and the oil. So this lasts quite a while because when I'm putting it on, I don't need a lot, and it's really awesome. And I just wanted to share that and hope that if you have those oils that you can create that. And so many options for helping our skin. Just wanted to share that. So hope you learned something today. Talk to you later.